Welcome to our latest Decor Ideas YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to tell you about the boys' room decor and showcasing some upper super cool bunk bed ideas that will take your room from ordinary to extraordinary. Whether you are looking to save space or create playfully themed area, we have got you covered. Transform your boys' room into a intergalactic playground with a space themed bunk bed. Paint the bunk bed frame in dark blue or black. Sprinkle some glow in the dark stars on the walls and add space themed bedding. Hang a mini solar system from the ceiling and voila, you have got a cosmic adventure awaiting every night. Create a nature inspired wonderland with a treehouse bunk bed. Craft the bunk bed to resemble a treehouse, complete with a ladder, fox foliage, and even a slide as an exit. Decorate the room with woodland themed essence like plush animals, leafy curtains, and earthy tones to bring the outdoors inside. Is your kid a superhero fan? Craft to a bunk bed that doubles as a superhero hideout. Set sail for imagination with a nautical themed bunk bed. Choose a white or blue bunk bed